Ma'am Hanalet De Leon, President of PUP Alumni Association USA, officials and Board of Directors and members of the PUP Alumni Association USA, Ma'am V. Cristobal, Ma'am Monet Santillan Rivera, and to all the participants and delegates of the PUP Global Alumni Reunion who traveled from all parts of the world to attend the most awaited Global Alumni Reunion. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. With great pride and heartfelt joy, I greet you all on this momentous occasion, the second PUP Alumni Association USA Global Reunion. And as we gather here in the vibrant city of Los Angeles, we celebrate the years of education and experiences we shared and the lasting bonds that continue to connect us across distances and time. The Polytechnic University of the Philippines has always been more than just an institution. It has been a home where knowledge, values, and friendships were cultivated. The success and achievements of our alumni worldwide stand as a testament to the quality of education and the strong foundation laid down during our years at the university. This reunion is a unique opportunity to reconnect with old friends, forge new relationships, and reminisce about the memories that have shaped our journeys. It also serves as a reminder of our shared responsibility to give back to our Sintang Paaralan and ensure that future generations receive the same opportunities we were fortunate to have. I want to extend my deepest gratitude to the PUP Alumni Association USA President, Ma'am Hanilet, and the organizing committee for their tireless efforts in bringing this reunion to life. Your dedication and commitment are truly commendable and greatly appreciated. I will take this opportunity to thank the officials of PUP Alumni Association, USA Board of Directors, and to our staunch supporter of our project, Education on Wheels, Ma'am Josephine Gotong. Maraming salamat po sa support at tulong ninyo sa ating Education on Wheels scholars. Maraming estudyante po ang nakikinabang sa tulong na nilaan ninyo sa kanila. Sa katunayan po ay third year na sila. At excited na po rin ako dahil isang taon na lang ay meron na po tayong gagraduate mula sa inyong mga scholar. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong tulong at suporta. And as we embark on the events planned for the next few days, I encourage everyone to engage, share the stories, and create new memories to continue strengthening our alumni network. Let this reunion be a catalyst for future collaborations and initiatives that will further the mission of our Sintang Paaralan and the values we hold dear. Together, we continue to uplift our university and improve our communities here in the USA and back home in the Philippines. Once again, thank you for being here and your unwavering support to our Sintang Paaralan. I look forward to a meaningful and enjoyable reunion with all of you. Mabuhay ang PUP, mabuhay ang PUP Alumni Association USA, mula sa iyo para sa bayan. PUP ako, tagumpay tayo. Maraming salamat po. God bless PUP. God bless us all.